So let's start with the connections. As I have told you about the sensor, this sensor has 3 pins: the ground pin, the VCC pin and the signal pin. So we have your motor shield connected on the Arduino over here of your robot car. So let's begin with the connections. We will connect the ground of the sensor to the ground of the motor shield, which is connected over the Arduino. Now let's connect the VCC of the sensor to the 5 voltage of the motor shield. And for the signal pin, we will connect to the pin number 9, which is being soldered over here on your motor shield to the sensor of this sensor. Okay, we will place this sensor beneath the robot car over here. Okay, because it will detect the presence of white or black color that will allow your robot to follow that thing. So we are done with the connections. Now let's upload your code to your Arduino with the USB cable. Thank you.